Well, welcome back to Channel Run. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 items that Temu had sent over to me. They contacted me about a month ago and wanted to know if I'd like to show off 5 of their items. And sure, why not? So send me whatever you have. So they sent me some things here, and I'm actually quite impressed with some of them. So we're going to kind of go over them one by one and explain what I found about each item, good and bad, so to speak. The first thing is if you order from them, you're going to probably find it's going to come in a bag. And don't be too alarmed if you see that the packages are damaged. It seems to be just the packages themselves. I haven't found anything other than the precision toolkit, and I'll talk about that right now. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. On the precision toolkit that I just mentioned, fantastic. Who does not want a precision toolkit? This is fantastic. It's got all kinds of assortment of different sizes and so forth to working on electronics and phones. The only problem with this is the shipping. When it got shipped, it got all bounced around. So I'm going to have to remove this this faceplate here and try to get that back in there. But not a big deal. Not a big deal. And that is only $12.48, and that's not bad at all. So that's a good deal. So I'm pretty impressed with that. The next one is the air compressor. It's the cordless air compressor. And I went ahead and I tried this on a basketball, and I tried this on a tire, and it worked okay. It's a little slow. I think it's meant more for, like, beach stuff, blow up inner tubes and that kind of stuff to take to the beach. But it works fine. One of the things I don't like about it is its USB charging system that they have here. And that's okay, but the problem is you're going to lose this. This is just something that you're just going to end up losing. So you plug this in the USB and it charges it up. And that's all fine and dandy. But if you don't keep this close by to this, you lose this. This is going to be kind of useless. So I wish there was something a little bit different than that, but this is great for stuff like that, for like the beach and mattresses and stuff like that. Not bad. That's $30.97. The next one is a little toolkit, and we've all seen these little toolkits, and I didn't bother opening this at first because I just assumed it was a regular toolkit. It wasn't until an hour ago I opened it up and realized it has a lot of different sizes that you may need for working on specialty type of equipment like I have. I was getting actually ready to run some moonshine in my plane earlier, and I needed to do some adjustments, and this toolkit actually has got a wide variety of different tools in them. So I really thought this was kind of a neat toolkit, and I actually may keep this in the plane itself. And I was surprised that was only $12.72. So that's a pretty good deal. I like that. Now, this is not high quality stuff. I wouldn't be torquing down on anything high on this. But if you need to get into some precision stuff as far as, light motor work and that kind of stuff, this is fantastic. The drill. The next item is a drill. The 21 volt drill. I was quite impressed with this. I kind of laughed at it when I first got it, but I actually played around with this, and it really works good. It's got a little LED here, so it points to where you're drilling. I drilled in some wood, drilled a hole through some wood. I actually put some screws in my prop trailer to hang some props, and I was quite impressed with it. The downside of this is the battery. In order to charge this, it comes with a power brick that you have to plug into the wall. And again, it's one of the types that you plug it in. You plug it in the wall, charge it up, and so forth. And it's got a nice little charger light here on the back to tell you if it's charged up or whatnot. And off you go. But if you lose this, you're done. If this was somehow attached to a charging brick or some sort of an adapter that plugged into this that was meant for just this, and it was kind of like you hung on the wall, it would probably make more sense. I'm not a big fan of these chargers because you lose these. Once you lose these, this is junk. I mean, if you're lucky enough to find something, but other than that, you're junk. The last item is probably my favorite. It's the car Diagnostics OBD2 Diagnostics tester. I've got several of these, but this one here for, what was that? This was $12.58. Oh, let me go back to the drill. The drill was $36.89, by the way. So for $12.58, I was amazed on this little tester here. It really performed very well. It'll tell you some things like the normal testers it will do. It'll come up with a code, and you get online, you look up that code. The same idea as all the other ones. But for $12.58, I was quite surprised. The downside of this is it needs power from the automobile to store information and that type of stuff. So once you unplug it, the information is kind of gone. But this is my favorite. This is my favorite out of all the 5. Really nice. I'm really happy with this right there. So other than that, that's pretty much all I've got. I'm real happy with all the stuff there that they had sent me. Other than the way it was shipped, if it was shipped in a box, nothing was damaged other than the precision tool kit itself. Everything seemed to be fine. And again, as far as the compressor, it's good for, you know, blowing up pool toys and that kind of stuff, but I wouldn't do anything else. And basketballs and balls and stuff like that. But as far as pumping up your tire, I probably would not rely on that. Well, I hope this kind of helps you in your decision of buying any products from Temu, and stay tuned for the next one.